Hi, today we are going to do simultaneous equations word problems. Example 1. Find two numbers with a sum of 15 and a difference of 7. Take numbers as x and y. Okay, and then we have to form simultaneous equations here. So they say sum of 15. That means the addition of these two numbers must be 15. So I write first equation, that is x plus y equals 15. Then difference of 7, that means x minus y equals 7. Label the equations 1, 2. Then check the coefficients 1, 1, 1, 1. So I'm going to eliminate y here. Check the signs, positive, negative. Then I'm going to add 1 and 2. Okay, first equation, that is x plus y. X plus y plus second equation, that is x minus y equals first equation, right hand side, that is 15 plus second equation, that is 7. Then plus y minus y get cancelled. X plus x, that is 2x equals 15 plus 7, that is 22. Divide both sides by 2. 2 get cancelled. X equals 22 divided by 2, that is 11. Then substitute x equals 11 in equation 1. So I write the equation 1, x plus y equals 15. Then instead of x, I'm going to put 11. 11 plus y equals 15. Then remove 11, so subtract 11 from both sides. 11 plus y minus 11 equals 15 minus 11. Plus 11 minus 11 gone. Y equals 15 minus 11, that is 4. Two numbers are 11 and 4. Example 2. Motorist A buys 24 liters of petrol and 5 liters of oil for $18, and Motorist B buys 18 liters of petrol and 10 liters of oil for $21. Find the cost of 1 liter of petrol and 1 liter of oil. So I have taken cost of 1 liter of petrol equals x, cost of 1 liter of oil equals y. These are dollars, right? Okay, then we need to form two equations including x and y. So Motorist A buys 24 liters of petrol. So 1 liter is x, so 24 liters, it is 24x. And 5 liters of oil. 1 liter is y, 5 liters, 5y. Plus 5y, the total cost is 18. Then Motorist B buys 18 liters of petrol. That means 1 liter is x, x times 18, that is 18x. Plus 10 liters of oil. 1 liter is y, 10 liters 10y. Equals total cost is $21. Label the equations 1, 2. Check the coefficients. So x coefficients 24, 18, y coefficients 5 and 10. So you can easily equalize y coefficients. So 5 multiplied by 2, it becomes 10. So I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 2. So I get 2 times 24x, that is 48x, plus 2 times 5y, 10y, equals 2 times 18, that is 36. Equation 3. Now I have 10y, 10y, plus plus. So I have to subtract equation 2 and 3 to eliminate this y. So equation 2, that is 18x plus 10y minus, open bracket, equation 3, that is 48x plus 10y equals, right hand sides, equation 2, that is 21 minus 36. Then 18x plus 10y, I'm going to expand the bracket by minus times 48x minus 48x minus times plus 10y minus 10y equals 21 minus 36, that is minus 15. Then plus 10y minus 10y cancelled. 18x minus 48x, that is minus 30x equals minus 15. Both sides divide by minus 30. Minus 30 get cancelled, minus get cancelled. 15 times 1, 15 times 2. That means x equals 0.5. Then I'm going to substitute x equals 0.5 in equation 1. So I write the equation 1, that is 24x plus 5y equals 18. So instead of x, I have to put 0.5. That means 24 times 0.5 plus 5y equals 18. 24 times 0.5, that means 12. 12 plus 5y equals 18. Then how do you remove this 12? Subtract 12 from both sides. 12 plus 5y minus 12 equals 18 minus 12. Plus 12 minus 12 gone. 5y equals 18 minus 12, that is 6. Then both sides divide by 5. Then 5 and 5 get cancelled. Y equals 6 divided by 5, that is 1.2. 1 liter of petrol equals, that is x, $0.5. 1 liter of oil equals $1.2. That's the final answer. Example 3. Today, Peter is 4 times as old as his son. 6 years ago, he was 10 times as old. Find their present ages. So I have made this small chart here. Peter, son, today. I take Peter's age as x, son's age y. Then 6 years ago, it is x minus 6, son's y minus 6, 6 years ago. Then we have to form two equations using what they have given. Today, Peter is 4 times as old as his son. Today, x equals 4 times his son. That means 4 times y. That is equation 1. Then 6 years ago, he was 10 times as old. That means 6 years ago, Peter's age is x minus 6 equals 10 times son. 6 years ago, son is y minus 6. So that is 10 times y minus 6. That is equation 2. Then they have made x the subject here. X equals 4y. So I'm going to put, instead of this x, 4y. I'm going to substitute x as 4y here in equation 2. Substitute x equals 4y in equation 2. So I write the equation first, that is x minus 6 equals 10 times y minus 6. Then instead of x, I put 4y. 4y minus 6 equals, I'm going to expand the bracket here, 10 times y, 10y, 10 times minus 6, minus 60. Then I'm going to collect like terms and write, so I can send this 4y to this side and minus 60 to this side. So I'm going to write here, that is minus 6 plus 60 equals 10y minus 4y. Minus 6 plus 60, that is 54, equals 10y minus 4y, that is 6y. Then both sides divide by 6. 6 get cancelled. Y equals 54 divided by 6, that is 9. So y equals 9. So we need to find x. How do you find x? In equation 1, we have x equals 4 times y. So I write x equals 4y. Instead of y, I have to put 9. X equals 4 times 9. 4 times 9, 36. X equals 36. So x is father's age, present, that is 36. Son's age, that is 9. Peter's age, that is 36. Son's age, that is 9. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.